Hey friends, I'm Shaz and welcome back to the Ministry of Reviews. Today I will review this recently launched 10.3-inch portable CarPlay screen from the Carflix brand. Now, this is an extremely useful product, especially if you don't have a screen in your car, or even if you have one, it's not a smart multimedia screen. So this CarFlix screen has some very nice features like the wireless CarPlay, the wireless Android Auto, the mobile screen mirroring function, and many more. So now let me set this up on the dashboard of my car, and then I will switch it on and start testing the different functions and features of this 10.3-inch Carflix portable smart car screen. So keep watching, guys. Alright friends, so I've set this up on the dashboard of my car, but I've done it right in front of the steering wheel. Ideally, this should be right in the middle of the dashboard, or you can connect this with the windshield here. I've got a screen already in my car, so I'm not putting this in the middle. Just for the video, I've set this up on the dashboard and it sits very nicely. It's got a very strong base, so even if you're going on the bumpy roads, the screen would not move with this strong sticking base. So again, sits very nicely. This is the main home page. So as soon as you switch this on, it takes about 2-3 seconds for the screen to power up and get to the main home page or the landing page, which looks like this. And as you can see, the screen is quite nice, quite clear as well. So let me give you a quick tour of the layout here. So on the left side, you've got the home button, which is this screen. Then you can adjust the brightness, you can adjust the volume as well when you're playing any audio content. You can switch it off with this button. Then you've got 5 main areas here. You've got phone link. This is for the wireless CarPlay, the wireless Android Auto, as well as mobile screen mirroring with iPhones as well as with Android mobiles. All right. The next one is Bluetooth connection. So you can connect your screen directly with your mobile to access the contacts or even play music. You can do the same with the CarPlay functions as well, but this is an additional function. Then you've got the media player. So you can insert a micro SD card in the TF card slot and play video files on the screen, and we will test that later on in this video. Then you've got the audio output. Now you've got multiple ways to connect the audio from this screen to the sound system of your car. Now the first option here is the built-in speaker. So this screen comes with a very powerful built-in speaker. So you can simply click on this and then the sound is coming out of the speaker of this machine, of this device. You can connect Bluetooth audio. So as soon as you connect this with the CarPlay, you can connect your mobile through the car's Bluetooth system, and then you can use the sound system of the car. You can also transmit the audio through the FM transmission, which is very simple. You just select a FM frequency on this screen and then match the same FM frequency on the radio of your car. So if it is 106.0, you get to 106.0 on the car, and then the audio will be then linked from this screen to the sound system of your car. But if you don't want to do any of these wireless connectivity, you can actually use a physical wire, the aux audio cable wire that comes in the box. You can use that to connect with the socket here, and then the other end connects to the aux cable in your car. So several ways of connecting the audio from this system to the sound system of your car. Right, so back to the home page, and the last one is then settings, and then within settings you have different things. You can have a reminder tone, you can set a screensaver, you have auto dimming, you can have the driver position set, either a left hand drive or a right hand drive. You can set the language, assistive touch, voice control, and a few other options available here. So these are all the the standard settings, the different options available on this screen. So what I'll do is in this video I will start testing the different functions here just to see how this Carflix screen performs. So keep watching, guys. Alright, so the first thing I would like to test on this Carflix portable screen is the media player. So we click here. I've inserted my micro SD card in the TF card slot. So we go to the video section. I've got so many test videos here. I just want to play one of the movie trailers. I've got 1080p files as well. So let's play this one here.
Go back to the calls. Hey, look out the window.
Welcome to my party, guys. I can see clearly now. The rain is gone.
What happened? Diabolo? Okay, what's he saying? Diabolo, yes. Devil.
All right, so as you can see, the video files are playing quite nicely. This is a full HD 1080p video file. Just one thing, keep in mind that because of the layout and the aspect ratio, you won't actually get the full screen. So you'll have this black bar on both sides. That's just because of the aspect ratio of the movie itself. Otherwise, if it gets to the full screen, the video will be quite stretched. But overall, looks very nice. It's very smooth, plays quite quickly. So as soon as you click on the video file, it takes less than a second for the video to start, and it's very smooth, very nice, bright. The colors are amazing. The screen is quite good in terms of the resolution and the output. So quite happy with the media file. Again, this is a full HD 1080p video file that I'm playing. And also the built-in speaker is quite powerful. You don't really have to connect this with the sound system of your car, but if you just simply want to use the sound system or the speakers, built-in speakers, it's very powerful.
I need you to trust me right now. I'm coming back.
Alright, so now let's test the wireless CarPlay function. So we go here, we've got CarPlay set. What we need to do is simply go to the iPhone, and on the iPhone look for the settings option. Within settings, just go to the Bluetooth section and look for this new device. It will appear here, Carflix. Click on this, click to pair, allows a contact sync, and then use CarPlay. That's it. So it's a very easy, very quick process. This is a one-time process. You just need to connect your mobile with the screen once, and then every time you switch on the car, you have the option of directly going into the CarPlay layout. This is the CarPlay main page. You click here. This is the layout. This is a split screen view. So you've got the navigation here. You've got shortcut icons. You've got media playing here. This is the standard CarPlay homepage. So I won't explain the different functions of CarPlay system, but just wanted to check if this is working. You can actually get to a full screen navigation as well, and it looks quite nice. The colors are nice. The screen is quite responsive, so that's also quite good. And you can obviously have navigation set with the voice commands as well, and you can search for a destination. So looks quite nice. Let's click here again. This is obviously all the applications that are compatible and available on the screen. These are CarPlay ones. You've got music as well. You can select Spotify. Again, you can connect this device with the sound system of your car, or you can use the built-in speakers, and looks quite nice. Now the important thing here is to see if we can make calls and if the audio quality of those calls is good. So let's make a call here. Hello.
Hello?
Yeah, can you hear me?
Yeah,
How's the audio?
it seems fine.
Okay, is it clear or not?
Yes, it's pretty clear now.
Okay, thanks.
Okay, bye.
All right, so the audio seems to be fine, clear as well. So this is, guys, the CarPlay system. Now we can go out of it, and now let's connect the Android Auto. All right, so now let's connect the wireless Android Auto. So we click on the phone link again. We pick this Android Auto and confirm. And then the next step is actually go to your Android mobile. I've got my Qbot here. Go to the Bluetooth section. So click on the connected devices, go to the Bluetooth section, and pair a new device. And then we will see Carflix coming up here. There you go. So we click on Carflix, pair the device, and that's it. So quite quick to connect Android Auto as well. It takes a few seconds, and again, this is a one-time setup. You just need to connect your Android mobile with the screen once, and then every time you switch on the car, it stays connected. So this is the landing page or the home page of Android Auto. You get the navigation here, you get the audio playing on the right side. If you click here, you get to see the full application. So these are all the different apps that are available on the Android Auto and which are compatible with the platform. You get navigation as well. You get phone calls. This can also be operated with voice input. So just like the CarPlay where you can operate the screen with Siri, here also with the Google Assistant you can operate the screen just with your voice input. So as you can see, Android Auto is also working fine. It's quite quick to connect. It's quite clear, no issues, no stretched screen. So working nice as well. So now let's come out of it. Alright friends, so there are so many other different functions and features available on this Carflix screen. Obviously we can't test everything in this video. There are things like the mobile screen mirroring for your iPhone as well as for your Android mobiles. You just click on any of these functions and you get the full instructions on how to do that, and it's very simple. You just need to connect your iPhone with the Wi-Fi and go to screen mirroring to get the same view on your mobile, which would appear then on the screen here as well. You can connect your mobile through the Bluetooth for music as well. You can do the same with CarPlay or the Bluetooth connectivity on the home page. Alright friends, so this is all you get inside the box. We get the standard user manual, then we also get the power adapter power cable. Now this is the cigarette lighter power adapter with a very long cable. We also get the aux audio cable. Then we get this bracket. Now there are two brackets. One is this one, the other one is already connected with the screen. This is the windshield or the telescopic mounting bracket. So this connects very nicely with the windshield with this suction cup, and then you can use this as a telescopic mounting bracket as well. So this actually adjusts the length of the screen. And then finally you've got this Carflix 10.3-inch portable car screen. So let's have a closer look at this. Now, as I said earlier, it comes with two mounting brackets. This one is already connected. This is the other one, which is the dashboard mounting bracket, which is connected with the screen. If you want to connect this one, you simply need to remove this and connect this here. This is the area to connect, and it's a very stable one. I've tested this in my car. It's a very, very strong and stable one. It comes with this very strong double-sided tape, and it sits very nicely on the dashboard, and even on the bumpy roads the screen would not vibrate or move. So looks very nice. A standard 10.3-inch screen with this kind of a layout, a rectangular layout. There's some in the market with a squarish kind of a design, but this is more of a rectangular design. So you've got the name of the brand here, Carflix. In terms of the connections, on top you have this power button here. And now looking at the back, you've got this built-in speakers at the back, and I can tell you the speakers are quite powerful on this screen. And in terms of the connections, so if you look at this side, you've got all the connections on one side. You've got the Type-C connection here. This Type-C is for the power. Then you've got AV in. This is where you can also connect the rear view camera, the parking camera. Then you've got a slot, a TF card slot, or the slot to add the memory card, micro SD card. And then finally you've got the aux cable if you want to connect the aux physical wire with this screen to the aux slot in your car. So standard connections, it's not complicated at all. You just need to connect a few cables here, and then you can start enjoying this in your car. So all in all, looks quite nice. It's a very standard design. I'll tell you, most of the other screens I've tested on my channel would look very similar to this one. It's not very heavy. Obviously, it's all plastic. That's why. So that's it, guys. It's a very nice looking portable CarPlay screen from the Carflix brand. So guys, we've tested some of the important functions and features. Everything seems to be working perfectly fine. For me, the important thing is navigation and making calls, and we've tested that, and it worked quite nicely. So all in all, a very nice portable screen from Carflix. Again, it's an ideal screen for people who don't have any screens in their car, or even if they have a screen, it's not a smart multimedia screen. So it's highly recommended for those people. If you like it, if you want to buy this Carflix portable screen, simply go to the link in the description of this video. That will take you directly to the official store where you can buy this very nice Carflix portable CarPlay screen.